Hey guys, welcome back to the Fit Couple Cooks. Today I'm going to show you another amazing recipe, and this is like one of my favorite comfort foods because it has such simple ingredients with simple spices, and when you combine them, oh my god guys, it is the best combination ever. So let me just get started with the ingredients and show you what's all I have here. And also, if you want the exact recipe, go to the description box below and you'll find the link to my website. You can browse around, you can check out all the amazing recipes, and you can get the exact recipe for this, and you can also print it out. So let's get started. Over here I have habanero lime flour tortillas. I got this from Trader Joe's, and you can also not use this and use like a spinach wrap or any other wrap that you like. We wanted to try this, so we got this one. And over here I have some green chili. If you don't like it spicy, just totally skip the green chili part. I have some green pepper, thinly sliced, some red onion, thinly sliced. Marvel, go. I'm sorry, but my dog. Marvel, go to daddy. Okay, some green beans. Like I cut them into small sizes over here. I have some cottage cheese. This is homemade cottage cheese. If you want a recipe for this cottage cheese, you can check the recipe card above, and you can check out the homemade cottage cheese recipe. It is extremely simple and extremely delicious. And here I have like 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You can also use any plain yogurt, but try using any non-flavored yogurt because you want the flavor from the spices. Okay, over here I have Kadai Paneer spice. You can get this in any Indian grocery store. If you don't have an Indian grocery store, it's fine. You can totally skip this. But if you have it, it's good. But otherwise, it's absolutely fine. You're still gonna get an amazing flavor. Here I have some paprika, turmeric, some garam masala, coriander powder, salt. That is all you need for this recipe. It is extremely simple and extremely delicious. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna add, so we need to marinate the cottage cheese with all the veggies. So first step is gonna be adding all the spices to your Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna take a teaspoon of paprika. Again, if you don't like it spicy, you can totally skip it. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Hold on. This is like one of my favorite food and even my own. So anytime we are hungry and we have limited ingredients, this is the one to go for us. Half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust salt according to your liking. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the Kadai Paneer masala. 1 teaspoon. I'm going to give it a good mix, so that it mixes with the yogurt very nicely. So when I add the veggies, all the veggies have a good coat of yogurt and all the spices in it. So just give it a good mix. And to this, now I'm gonna add the green chilies, green pepper, red onion. You can also use yellow onion, but we love red onion. Just keep mixing it so that it doesn't become hard for you to mix in the end. So just keep giving it a good mix. Add the green beans, and I like adding these veggies because green bean gives a good crunch to your wrap. So that is why I like adding green beans. You can also add asparagus if you have, and skip the green beans if you don't like it. And then finally, I'm going to add the cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is like my favorite veggie protein because it has a lot of protein and it is so delicious. It is so easy to make it at home. So do check out the recipe for the cottage cheese and let me know. And also let me know what is your favorite veggie wrap, because this is my favorite veggie wrap. So that is it. You can see this is mixed properly. I'm going to keep it aside for like 15-20 minutes. and I'm gonna heat up in 15-20 minutes. I'm just gonna clean up all the things and then heat up the wraps, keep it aside, and then cook this in a pan, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. Okay, so I have this grill pan over here. It's over high heat, and I am going to cook my tortillas for 5 seconds on both sides, for 10 seconds actually on both sides. And I'm going to do 4 of the tortillas, so one is done. I'm doing the second one, and I'm going to do 2 more and cook it and keep it aside. And then in the same pan, I'm going to cook this up. And I'll show it to you when it's done. Okay, so my tortillas are done, and the heat is over low heat because it was very heated because of tortillas. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Just get it covered everywhere. To this, I'm going to add the entire mixture of this and cook this. So you want to cook them for like 7 to 8 minutes. And keep mixing, keep moving them around so that they don't get burned or anything. And you want all the mixture to go in here because this mixture is bomb. So spread it around and let it cook, let it grill. And I will show it to you when this is done. So the tortillas are done, the veggie cottage cheese mixture is done. You can see how delicious they look. They're all cooked up, and beans, they are still crispy, and the green peppers are also crispy, so it's going to give a very good crunch. And they are also coated very nicely with the spices and yogurt. Oh my god, it's going to be delicious. I have a little bit of lemon over here, and this is hot and sweet tomato sauce. So what you need to do to assemble this is take one tortilla wrap over here and give it a good mix here. Tomato sauce, add a little bit of the sauce, spread it, and then take some of the mixture. Take everything, like you want the onions, you want the green beans, the pepper, the spices, everything. You don't want to leave anything behind because it is that good. Trust me, my mouth is watering, and this is just amazing. Just one last piece. It is that good, trust me guys. You have to try this. Okay. And now your wrap is absolutely ready. You can totally fold this. Go ahead and fold it the way you like. What I like to do is I fold it this way, and then I take a small piece of aluminum foil. I wrap it like this, and my wrap is ready to eat it. Oh my god, do you guys see this? This is so good. Let me just take a bite. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. It has so many flavors. Oh my god. Oops, I totally forgot to squeeze the lemon, but I was so excited. I'm gonna do it in my next wrap. Oh my god, this is just amazing, and it is out of the world. Guys, if you like this recipe and if you want to try it, do give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box below for the full recipe in details. You can print it out, you can get the exact measurements in there, and also you can check out some other recipes in my website. So go ahead, do that while I am making this delicious wrap over here. And I hope you guys also make this wrap really quick, and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. And also let me know your favorite veggie wrap. Now this is a perfect wrap with a squeeze of lemon. Wrap it. Oh my god. wrap it over here. This is the best wrap in the whole entire world. And done. So guys, don't forget to give a like, and I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. I'm gonna come back soon again with another amazing recipe. So stay tuned and bye bye.